Hi, welcome back to What's New in ActivePresenter 10 series. In today's video, I will show you how to use Auto Captions, also known as AI speech-to-text feature in ActivePresenter 10. This feature leverages AI to help you generate captions automatically for your video and audio. So, no more wasting time typing word by word to create captions anymore. But first, let's download ActivePresenter 10 and place an order to own a paid license because you will need to own this paid license to unlock AI and also other advanced e-learning features. As mentioned in the previous video about AI Cloud Voices, all AI features and management will be found in the AI tab here. And to convert audio and video file to text, first, you need to insert a video and audio file into your canvas. Then, select the audio and video file. Navigate to the AI tab, choose Auto Captions, or select this option from the Media Tools tab or Insert tab here. You will then see the Auto Captions dialog. Choose from a built-in provider or customize a new one. Choose the language based on the language of your video or audio file, or check Auto Detect to let the app self-detect the language. Customize these caption settings. Click OK to begin the conversion process. And once the text is generated, the Edit Close Caption dialog will appear automatically. It's time you refine the captions as you wish. This dialog allows you to review, edit, and manage your generated captions for one slide at a time. You can add new language, manage the existing languages, or just import and export an SRT file separately for a single slide or multiple slides. You can also self-adjust the captions in timing, in text, and add line break to make the captions appear smoothly as you want. Once done, click this button to save changes, and now you can see the caption appear on the canvas or on your video.
Welcome to ActivePresenter 10, an AI-powered e-learning authoring tool built for future learning. In this version, we bring a fresher look for more intuitive experience, smarter editing, and with a package of intelligent AI tools in your hands, you will build e-learning content like never before.
That's it! You now know how to use the Auto Captions feature in ActivePresenter 10 to automatically create subtitles for your video and your course. The full written tutorial and the link to buy ActivePresenter is placed in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel to not miss our upcoming tutorials and tips. See you again in the next video!